was there anything that you had to change to adapt to the new situation?
The service aspect was completely different. So on-site validation or servicing needed to be changed into remote services. So customers were moving in the past of asking us to get more on-site services, and suddenly they would not be ready to accept those people at the plant any longer. So we needed to pull that back into remote services and to maintenance at our facilities. We do this anyhow. We shifted the focus of our organization towards another solution that we already had in place. And the biggest achievement was, in fact, that our advisory team, you must understand, advisory team is our consultants. They were so used to go to customers, help them, look into the facilities, walk around, do a gamba walk or whatever. And in the end, they needed to do all of that suddenly in remote via safe electronical devices, via the cloud, exchanging pictures and video. Hey, but they did it.